everybody, it's Jen with Caketastic Cakes, and I'm going to show you how to make these pumpkin sugar cookies. They are crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside, so come with me.
Now, before we begin, I want to let you know I did double this recipe, so all the amounts you're going to see are doubled. It makes a lot of cookies. They are good, but you're going to make a lot. And if you see me use any tools or supplies you could use, check the link in the description. It'll help you out. Now, I've got 5 cups of flours with 1 teaspoon of baking powder,
1 teaspoon of cinnamon, assuming you can get your spoon in there, of course.
So I'm doing 2 half teaspoons because it didn't fit, but it's 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of salt.
Now whisk it together and then put it aside. Whisk, 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 and aside.
Now in your mixer, you're going to add 3½ sticks of unsalted softened butter, and then 3 cups of granulated sugar. And then you're going to cream them on a medium speed. All right, I lowered the speed. Now I'm going to add 1 egg yolk, just the yolk. And I'm going to add 1 more egg yolk, so it's 2 egg yolks, because I forgot I was doubling this recipe. So you're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. It's a lot, but it'll be worth it. And then you're going to add 1 cup of pumpkin puree. And this is 100% pure pumpkin. It is not pumpkin pie filling. So don't make that mistake. I don't know why. I think there's like a lot of sugar and spices in the other one. I really don't know. But make sure it's 100% pumpkin. And then mix it in. You're going to have to scrape the sides, of course, because at this point we've got a ton of stuff in here. And it's not all going to fit. Finish mixing it together. All right, once you're happy with that, you're going to gradually start adding your flour in. A little at a time. My mixer is going to start jumping, so I'm going to lock it down. Just add a little and give it a chance to mix in before you add some more. You might end up with a little kick up, like you can see the dust flying all around from the flour. And when you get impatient, just dump the rest in. You might have to stop it here and there to scrape down the sides. Give it another mix. And then when it's done, you're going to cover it with plastic wrap, put it in the fridge for 20 minutes and let it chill. So again, scrape it all in. You don't want to waste any of it. While this is in the refrigerator, I'm actually going to give it a little longer since I did double the recipe. I think I'm going to give it half an hour. But get your oven preheating to 350 Fahrenheit. All right, we'll see this later. All right, after it comes out of the refrigerator, your dough should be pretty nice and chilled. You're going to take little scoops of it to make about a 1-inch ball in your hands. If your hands are warm like mine, your dough is going to stick to you, but that's just part of the problem or part of the cause. I don't know. Roll it in some sugar. This is just more granulated sugar. And then put it on your cooking sheet and then just press it down a little bit. And rinse and repeat a lot. So make your dough ball, put it in your sugar, roll it around, put it on the cookie sheet, press it down a little bit. There you go. Kind of like thumbprint cookies, I guess, but these are pumpkin sugar cookies, so they're probably going to be amazing. Okay, so once you get a full sheet of cookies, stick them in the oven. You're going to put them in for 15 minutes, but halfway through, rotate them. Turn the sheet around. Okay. Once they come out of the oven, let them sit on the sheet for maybe 3 minutes to set up, and then moving to the cooling rack. And once they're cooled, they should be good to go.
So I hope you try these cookies. They are actually very tasty, just a hint of pumpkin, but nice and sweet like a sugar cookie. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out as well. I've got a ton of other videos out there, all different kinds, recipes, cakes, whatever. So take a look. And as always, thanks for watching Caketastic Cakes.